Come on, Isaac. You're in the hole, Isaac.
Good effort, Isaac.
Well done, Isaac. Well done, kiddo. It's good, but if it's not there, don't have to.
Over, Jim. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going.
Second balls. Those second balls, Isaac. Good job, Kareem. Look around you! Far post! Look around you! There's two of them back here! Aiden, far post! One more! Stay with Jason. Out of all the space. Don't leave him. Jason, watch him behind you if you're gonna go. You got it. You're gonna cover each other. You got to watch it. Yellow.
Too many fouls, sir. You got a card. Too many fouls.
Yeah. Yeah. Well, I don't think he'll give it to us.
Up. Go do it. Win it.
Plate's in.
Open, Keegan. Open, Keegan. Open.
Isaac over. Isaac over.
Simple. Simple. Look, Alex.
Step up. Good. Stay on the line.
This way.
Silver. It's all right, boys. Go.